Hello guys, a new mining site. Like you see, if this is the homepage of the site, the link will be in the description. Also, the link of the script that we will use to claim a limited faucet in this site and get free crypto. Like you see, this is the homepage after registration. This is the homepage of the site. You scroll down, you must put your email faucetpay here and click authorize. Like you see, you must do this step. You click here, you see what happened in this site. We have a manual claim, like you see. It's faucet 15 Satoshi and 10 energy reward. Every 1 minute you have 500 claims. Like you see, it means 25,000 Satoshi. We have auto claim. Like you see, you don't have energy, you must claim manual claim. There is surf ads, there is tasks, there is short links, there is dice, there is also mining. You can mine with your browser on your laptop or phone. Like you see, you can press plus and you choose a mining plan. None, you must have an active plan. Like you see, you can withdraw also. This is the withdraw. You must, like I told you, you must authorize your email faucetpay here, like you see. Now let's go to Termux and show you how to work in a script. This is our Termux. We put cd space storage. We press enter, now we press ls, now press enter, now we put cd space downloads. We press enter, now we put ls, now we put cd fp crypto, the file that you do load. Press now ls, now press enter, now we put php bot.php. We return. Now we take this code password, this password. This is the code of the password. You must go to this site and search for this code to get the password. Simple. We put our password link here. We search for this code. For the code GWT in this code. This is the password. Click design. Click design. We click here. Now we redirect to get our password. We wait. You do this short link to get the password. We complete this captcha. We just do bridge. Excuse me, we verify. We complete this short link to get a password. Complete password, this is alright. You know, short links are boring, but we must do this to get the password. After that, we will claim 500 claims. Press verify. Now take us to the password. We put the password. Now script is starting. You must put your email of your account. Put password of the account. Now the script is starting, like you see. Now we start claiming. Like you see, we put 1. After completing 500 claims, as I show you in the first of the video, every claim you will get 10 energy. You can restart the script and do number 2 auto claim. For 500 claims you will get 5000 energy to claim automatically from the site. Like you see, this is our 15 Satoshi. Now we return to the site to see how it's matched. This is our site. We go to withdraw. Like you see, it takes some time, but the site works well. Must complete a total of 1 short link, 1 serve ads to make withdraw. It's simple. We do this short link. This is our site today. All link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you on another mining video.